It seems simple to create a brand, but in fact, there are many steps involved in it. You have color palettes, fonts, website, graphics, social media posts, and ads to create. The most tricky thing is that you have to make all these assets such as one brand. Today, I'm going to give you an AI tool or AI design agent which claims the complete branding workflow in a single workspace. So the tool I am talking about is Lovart. So we'll practically do a live testing, then create original brands, create visual identity, create reusable brands, and generate marketing designs. And in the last, we will also generate a short promotional video. Alright, we've talked enough. Let's get to work. Before starting, let's quickly press the subscribe button and jump into the video. Let's see if Lovart is consistent in multiple designs. So let's start creating the brand idea. For this project, I want to avoid generic ideas like coffee shop, candle company, or supplement brand because this is common in the market. I want to create a very unique brand. So I created a fictional pet tech company, which I have called Milo. And we have products for pets. They include GPS enabled collars, automatic feeding device, and an application that is connected to your phone. And all of your pet details are in front of your phone. So the targeted audience is young pet owners who enjoy technology but still want the brand to feel friendly and emotional to their pets. So for that, I am looking for the visual directions that include modern, playful, clean, and slightly premium touch. So let's start creating the initial brand identity. So let's move towards the first step, which is understanding the interface. So this is our main interface of Lovart, very easy to understand. So here we have some references which you can be inspired with different ideas and different styles. So here are different models. Here's the main search bar from where you can generate art. Over here we can start the new project, and this is our home page. Here we can do different projects, and here's the brand kit which we will learn in this video. This is the key feature of Lovart, and over here you can access your profile settings. So I think enough talking, let's get started. So I will click on a new projects here, and Lovart will create a new project for us. And here you can see the interface is very clean and easy to understand. This is the main area where our results will be. Here we can chat with AI, and here we can select multiple agents, and also we can select multiple agents for image generation and video generation. Let's leave this part for now, and let's paste a prompt here. So I have written a prompt here in which I am talking about that I have made a brand identity for Milo, which is a smart tech company for pets. I gave it details of my products, my targeted audience, and the requirements for the logo, premium look, color palettes, typography, product visuals, and supporting brand assets. So as you can see, I provided these details in my prompt. You also have to add these kind of details for your brand. So I uploaded the prompt, it started thinking, and I think it will execute soon. So as you can see, Lovart has generated several logo concepts, color combination, product presentation ideas, and you can see here brand pattern and packaging has also been created. So I think the overall style is very minimal, playful, and it has a touch of premium vibe. So now I will select a font for my brand. So I will click on the font generator. If you have a specific font, you can either give a description or an image reference. So I also have a specific font for my brand which I think should be playful and has a minimal vibe. So I am uploading a reference image over here and also giving a description. And now I will click on generate. And as you can see, it has been generated really quickly. I'm just gonna click on it. So here's the text. I'm just gonna close it. And as you can see, I can increase the size from here. So let's press Ctrl and scroll up to zoom in. So you can double click this to change it. So I'm gonna double press on this and type Milo, which is the name of my brand. And as you can see, the font is really nice. So I'm gonna place it aside. So let's start building the brand kit that will set up the whole theme for our brand. So for that, I'm gonna click this icon over here, and I'm gonna go to my home page, and and I'm gonna click brand kit from here. So this has filled some details for us automatically, but we have multiple options. So the first option is that we upload every single requirement this has, and the second option is that we go to our home page and to our canvas and tell AI to create a whole brand kit automatically for us, which is an image that will include all the details for our brand. So I think the second option feels much more reliable. So I'm just gonna click over here. So I have told it that I will give a few more details for my brand before creating the brand kit. So now I will finalize the logo here. Once the logo is finalized, LoArt will take it as my final decision and work based on that. So I selected this logo. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna take a screenshot of it. So it is automatically pinned. I'm also gonna paste the image over here. So for that I'm gonna press Ctrl V and I pasted a short description. So after telling all these details, now I'm giving it a prompt in which I am telling it to create a brand kit around this. And as you can see, it generated the brand kit for us with all the details. Let me zoom in so you can see it better. Now you can see our logo is selected. The details that we have given to it are already on the brand kit, including color palettes, typography and all other stuff. If I had selected option number 1, I would need to create all the images and then one by one download them and then import them. But in the option number 2 that we have selected, I just need to import this brand kit over here and it will autofill all the details from it. So now let me simply download it from here. Once it's downloaded, I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go to my brand kit. So the brand kit I created, I just click on it. So it will be filled automatically. After a few seconds, I'm gonna click on import. Once I click on it, it will start filling all the criterias it had, like the logo, color palettes, typography, fonts, and the photography. So this is very fast. So now the brand kit is ready. So now we will create a new project with the same brand kit. So the new project is created. Let me explain that why brand kit is so much important. So as we have filled all the details in the brand kit, so any task that we will ask AI, it will remember the brand kit and respond accordingly, so that we don't have to give details every single time. For example, the logo, typography, font, theme. So now if we just tell it to create an image, it will just generate an image. No need to add any details. So this is why brand kit matters. So now theme is already selected. So now we need Instagram post and social media designs. So I have pasted a prompt here in which I have told it to create Instagram post and social media design for it, and using the brand kit we just have created. So let me give a recap of what we have done till now. So at first we have selected the theme, the typography, the name of our brand, and after that we have created a brand kit based on the details that we have given to it, and now we will tell it to generate Instagram and social media posts for us. So after a while everything is generated. You can see a clean image of a product here. You can see some Instagram posts over here. Everything is really consistent and to the point. It was really quick. I was not expecting that. These images are great, but what if we need a small change? So don't worry, we don't need to generate the image from scratch. The good news is that it's editable file. You can see multiple options when you click on the image. You can scale your image, you can remove the background, you can edit it, etc. What if I want to erase something from this image? So I'm gonna click on this eraser. Once I selected a component I wanted to remove, I'm just gonna click on run. And as you can see, the part I've selected is gone. This is cool. This is really nice. And now I want to edit any element. I'm just gonna click on it, and as you can see, it is splitting all the components separately. And as you can see, this image is converted into separate sections. We can edit multiple components from this image. We can change text, font, size, etc. So this is a really smart way that we edit our image instead of regenerating it. So images are done. What if I want a promotional video? It's not a big deal. Let me show you. So for the short promotional reel, I'm gonna click an image from here. So I have selected it and also pasted a prompt. So I have told it to convert this image into a professional promotional video, which is optimized for TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. So let me click on generate, and it started generating. So the video is finally ready. So let me play it for you guys. So the result came out pretty cool. You can try LoArt using the link in my description. Make sure to subscribe my channel.